Kakabulot tong brushes na to. I don't recommend it at all. It's too big. I am back again. Hey guys, what's up? It's Renee and welcome back to my channel. I am back again. So yeah, welcome back. Today's theme is pink. Charot. I don't normally do pink eyeshadow, pink lipsticks, just because I feel like hindi siya ganun kabagay sa akin. But after doing this look, it's not that bad after all. I just think I need to practice a bit more with my falsies kasi this is my first time. Well, not my first time. But I don't usually put falsies just because they're uncomfortable sa eyes. But today, my eye look calls for falsies. That's why meron ako. But yeah, it's medyo fail kasi halata pa yung kung saan nakalagay. But practice makes perfect. Anyway, not that falsies is connected to our topic for today, no? Let's move on. For today's video, I'll be reviewing these brushes right here. These are brushes from Maange. So, ayan. Set ko sila binili. The reason why I bought this is because mura lang siya. I believe I bought this below 500 and I mean, come on, for makeup enthusiasts like me, you can never get enough brushes in your life kasi you'll need more eventually. Ayun, so I'll be reviewing them one by one. So, meron akong mga clips na ilalagay na ginagamit ko to kasi syempre I did my makeup first kasi if mag-talk through video ako ng first impression ko dito, hahaba ng sobrang video. That's why nag-video na ako kanina using these brushes. Alright, so before we start, click the like button down below if you're interested in this kind of content, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're new here, and of course the bell button beside it for notifications whenever I upload again. Huwag na tayo magpatumpik-tumpik pa, magsimula na tayo. Okay, so magsisimula tayo sa eye brushes kasi inuna ko yung eyes ko for today. First brush is the Flawless Concealer Brush. So, ito yung ginamit ko for my eyeshadow primer now. I might say na okay siya kasi it's packed and madali lang siya, madali lang i-blend sa eyes. Hindi naman parang natusok yung mata ko, hindi siya masakit, hindi siya uncomfortable. So, I'm good with this. And also, ito rin yung ginamit ko for my under eye. For my under eye naman, I don't recommend it kasi masyado siyang maliit. Yun. So, masyado siyang maliit for my under eye, but if you have small face, then I think this would work for you. Next brush is the Short Shader Brush. Ito naman yung ginamit ko for the base of my eyeshadow and I like it kasi since packed siya. Oh, by the way, I think yung mga brushes nito is synthetic kasi medyo dense. Going back, since dense to and medyo makapal siya, marami siya pumake-up ng product and ayun, napack niya ng mabuti yung nilalagay kong eyeshadow color base sa lids ko, which is nice. Next brush is the blending brush. Now, for this one, I kinda don't like it. Kasi, yun nga, it's too dense. Masyado siyang siksik na hindi niya nabiblend ng masyado yung sa crease area ko. Ang gusto kasing blending brushes for my crease is yung parang ganito. This is the Morphe M504 wherein it's fluffy. And so makikita mo yung difference. Ito yung Morphe. Fluffy siya and soft. Unlike dito sa brush na to, packed siya. So, alam mo yun, kapag dito mo lang siya finocus, dito lang yung mabiblend. I just prefer a fluffier brush para na-diffuse niya ng mabuti yung color sa crease part ko. Gaya ng sa blending brush, this one, again, is too dense. Parang sa blending brush, sa isang part lang din siya nag-blend. Hindi niya nabiblend yung buong shadow, you know. Okay to for precise brush, like yung kung gusto mo lang i-focus dito. But for the overall blending, I don't recommend this at all. Next brush is the Angled Shading Brush. For this one naman, I like it kasi maganda niyang nalagay yung eyeshadow ko sa outer V. Ginamit ko tong brush na to for my outer V and then slowly dragged it into my crease and ang ganda ng outcome niya. Okay tong brush na to dito sa outer area ng mata kasi very precise, like Kaganyan mo lang, and then, yun na yun. Then, next brush is the medium shader brush. I use this for my lid, and actually, since yun nga, packed siya, marami siya kumuha ng product, and marami siyang nalalagay, marami siyang nadidisperse sa eyelid ko. So, ginamit ko to for my shimmer shadow. I usually use my fingers. Well, I still use my finger after this one just to really intensify the color. Pero, on its own, it's not that bad kasi marami siya pumick up ng color, and paglagay mo is talagang packed siya. You get it? Next one is the eye crease brush. Now, actually, in-attempt ko lang talaga to gamitin just to see. Pero this one is parang same lang sa dito sa mga blending brush na to, sa tapered blending brush and sa blending brush. It's all the same. Masyado silang dense and it's really uncomfortable kasi nga yun nga, masyado siyang packed. Next is the contour brush. So, I actually used it for my nose and it's really good talagang okay siya. Just use a light hand kasi yun, like I said, packed siya. So, kapag medyo heavy-handed ka, talagang maraming malalagay na product sa face mo. Next is this one. This is the large shader brush. I don't know why ginamit ko to sa lower lash line ko, pero I did. Ginamit ko siya sa lower lash line ko just to see, pero I don't recommend it at all. It's too big. It's too big. I think this is perfect then for, you know, for the shimmer shadow and for the brow bone. Perfect din to kasi malaki siya. So, makukuha niya yung brow bone area mo. Next is the bend eyeliner brush. So, I think this is for eyeliner. Pero, hindi ako gumamit ngayon ng eyeliner na nasa pot. So, ang ginamit ko kasing eyeliner is yung pen. Hindi ako gumagamit ng gantong brush for eyeliners kasi masyadong flat. I prefer yung parang medyo pointy para pag nag-wing ka is talagang ma-swoop mo. Gets mo? Last for the eye brushes is the eyelash and eyebrows. Hindi ko rin ito nagamit, but this is perfect, you know, spoolie. And if you have yung mga eyebrow products na nasa pot, this is perfect. Dati gumagamit ako ng ganito, pero I just don't like yung mga nasa pot na eyebrow products in general. So, I prefer yung mga retractable pencils. I can still utilize yung spoolie nito. And also, itong eyebrow brush is actually pwede rin to pang eyeliner kasi yun. If you want yung medyo messy na eyeliner, you can use this one. Okay, so I feel like masyadong mabilis yung mga pangyayari sa eye brushes. Moving on naman tayo sa face brushes. Mag-start muna tayo dito sa foundation brush. Unlike sa eye brushes, ito very soft siya. For the foundation brush naman, I prefer yung dense para talagang, alam mo yun, pack na pack sa mukha mo. And ang napansin ko dito sa foundation brush na to is medyo pangit yung pagkaka-apply niya. Like, streaky siya, pero not too streaky. It's streaky in a sense na dahil malambot siya, kaya nagiging ganun. But, if you apply powder naman after, nawawala yung pagka-streaky niya. Next brush is the tapered brush. So, I use this for my concealer kasi, you know, ganyan. But, I don't recommend it at all for concealer kasi it's too dense na natusok niya yung mata ko. As in, sobrang dense niya. As in, makikita mo. As in, makikita mo na sobrang kapal niya. Hindi lang yun, bukod sa makapal siya, is pointed siya. So, I don't really recommend it. So, that's why ginamit ko yung isang concealer brush dito sa part na to kasi dito masyadong harsh. Masyado siyang harsh for me kasi yun nga, hindi niya nakukuha yung dapat makuha. Next is the blush brush. I didn't use this for the blush. I used it to bake my under eye area kasi it's perfect for baking. And also, ginamit ko to for contour. Ginamit ko siya for bronzing a bit. Ginamit ko siya for that. And it's okay. Okay naman yung contour dito. Hindi naman kalat-kalat. And okay din yung pagbabronze. Kasi, you know, medyo tapered siya eh. Soft tapered siya. So, makakontrol mo yung nilalagay mo sa forehead mo. But nonetheless, I do think okay din siya for blush. Kasi, perfect size siya for the blush. Hindi lang ako fan masyado ng ganito. I prefer yung mga angled brushes for my blush. Next brush is the powder brush. So, I use this for the powder. And actually, I like it kasi hindi siya ganun ka-dense. Hindi rin yung masyadong soft. So, it's in the middle. And it's perfect kasi kapag pinapounce mo siya, hindi masakit. So, yeah, I like this brush. Next is the sculpting brush. So, I use this for my blush, pero feel ko dapat pang contour siya. Kanya-kanya kasi tayong preference when it comes to the use of the brushes. You can use this for contour, you can use this for bronzer. You can also use this for blush kasi, alam mo yun, yan, it's angled, so perfect siya sa cheek area. Next is the multifunction brush. Now, I don't really know kung anong use nito, but I used it for my highlight. Now, I know it's weird, pero ginamit ko tong side na to for my highlight. Kasi, itong small fan brush, hindi siya for the highlight. But I use this for my brow bone, just to test it. So, I use the multifunction brush for my highlight, and it's okay, it's nice. But, hindi ko lang magets bakit ganito yung shape niya. Like, meron siyang pa, ganun, like, para saan yun? Hindi ko siya maintindihan. Actually, tatry ko sana to for my concealer, but yun nga, meron siyang parang may pag-ganon. So, pag ginanon ko siya, merong mga areas na hindi makukuha. But I just don't understand the use of this multifunction brush. Ito yung hindi ko ginagamit sa lahat ng brush sets whenever umu-order ako, whenever na may nakukuha akong brush. Ito yung parang medyo walang use for me. Although it says na multifunction brush siya, but I just don't see the point ng ganun. Anyway, actually, I'm done with the review of the brushes. It's very quick, it's very on point kasi parang straightforward naman yung mga use ng brushes. So, moving on with the design, actually, I like it kasi it's very classic. And what I appreciated about this is meron siyang pangalan. Ayan, para sa mga beginners, para sa mga nagsisimula pa lang sa makeup, hindi sila mahihirapan kung ano yung dapat nilang gamitin sa face nila. Like, kunwari ito, powder brush, which is very common sense na use it for powder. Then, ito for foundation brush, like, you know, it's straightforward, madali siyang intindihin. For the experience naman, hindi siya nag-shed sa akin. Like, hindi siya nag-shred nung ina-apply ko. Especially this one, kasi ito may pinakamalaking roll sa face ko since ito yung mayroong liquid. So, hindi siya nag-shed, which is a good thing. Ibig sabihin, maganda yung pagkakapack ng brush niya. Kasi, syempre, may ibang brushes na unang try mo pa lang is talagang naglalagas na. For the price point, I'll just check kung magkano ko siya nakuha. This is 504 pesos. It's not that bad na. Considering you have 18 brushes with you, 504 is really a good deal. Lagi siyang nakasale every 9, 9, 10, 10, 11, 11, 12, 12, or you know, the monthly sale, Lazada comments. So, lagi siyang nakasale. And yung sale price niya is below 500, which is, eto nakuha ko to ng 470 during the 99 sale. So, you know, if you're interested, add to cart mo siya and then check out mo sa 11/11 sale or kung kailan mang sale lang Lazada kasi para below 500 na talaga yung price range niya. So, yeah. I'm not actually sure kung saan originated ang Maange kasi wala makita sa Google. But I'm not sure if it's locally made here in the Philippines or it's from China or from some other countries. I'm not sure. So if you know, let me know in the comment section down below. Maange has a wide range of variety of makeup brushes. So you need to check it out. Sobrang affordable and actually, it's nice naman. Okay naman yung quality niya. I just don't like the eye brushes, yung iba. Actually, konti lang yung nagustuhan ko sa eye brushes kasi masyado siyang dense. Pero for the face brushes, I like it. Isa lang yung hindi ko nagustuhan, which is the tapered brush. But the other ones is good. I personally recommend this for beginners, yung mga wala pang masyadong alam sa brushes and yung use nila kasi very straightforward siya, like I said, and you know, mura lang siya. It's budget friendly kaya go get your hands on it if you can. Overall, 50-50 ako dito sa brush na to kasi I don't like the eye brushes but I like the face brushes. So 50-50 in the middle. But I'll keep on using the eye brushes kasi marami namang function tong mga to. Yun nga lang, masyado siyang maraming blending brush na alam mo yun, hindi naman siya pang blend kasi isang part lang ng eye mo yung binablend niya. So, hopefully, yung ibang brushes nila is talagang mayroong blending brush, ganyan, which is yung fluffy blending brush. So, kakabulot tong brushes siya to. Anyway, okay, so I think that's it for this video. Leave me a comment down below kung natry mo na rin ba ang Maange brushes. Do you like it? Do you hate it? What are your thoughts about it? Do we have the same experience like yung sa eye brushes and sa face brushes? Do we have the same experience? Let me know. That completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you again in my next one. Bye!